I would say if we knew the blessings that we have, okanye besizazi into okokubana sizawuba blessed ekuhambeni kwexesha, ngesingekho lapha sonke. But God knew from the beginning when He started ukuqala kwakhe ihlabathi, esenza izulu nomhlaba, that we are gonna be here. Thina ke sizigusha nje ezokwaliswa nguye. Asingabo abantu esinozigqibela ubomi because asizazi iindlela zethu xa sisonke. That's why ke nam ndikwazi ukuhlala ngelinye ixesha ndimane ndizibuza uba inoba umthandazo wam ufikelele emafini okanye ufikelele ezulwini. But leyo into it's not up to me to decide because nguye yena oyaziyo umntu usidaleleyo and ke usidalele for a purpose. So if when you want to give up in life, then that's up to you. That's down to me because every time ucinga into iyenzeka to another person. Every time your mind tells you that wena ngoku ucinga uye shop, so uyile shop. So sometimes your mindset also can be triggering you. You have to uba wena uzazi uba what you want and also ube ne-strategy and ube disciplined. That's it. So just live your life, be that person that you were born to be, then everything else will also follow. I believe in that. You can also believe in that. We can also all believe in that. It's just that sijonge kwizinto thina zisurroundileyo and then we think that that's the end of the world. But the world does not end there. The world does not start there. The world has already started, and then the world just needs us to finish what God has started, and then thina siqhubeke ngendlela. I hope ke ngoku this will help you. Peace out.